What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and today we're gonna do a couple of things to this TP9 SC Elite. TP9 Elite SC or SC Elite, however you call it. What I wanted to do is do something about the grips on here because I do not really like the grips on here. I've been wanting to do a few things to this gun, but I've been so busy. I was like, let me go ahead and stop and take some time to show a little love to the Canik, because I've been doing stuff to my whiteout, and here's my whiteout right here. The whiteout is pretty awesome. I got my Taurus I've been playing around with. I have a Gerson that I'm doing a couple of things to, a Beretta that I've been working on. So figure, let me go ahead and do a couple of things to the Canik. So what I did is I got these grips that I do not know how to put on, but I'm going to try to. I just dropped some on the floor. Alright, so I'm going to try to put these on. These are the ones that you wrap around here, and let's see. Yeah, so you get your, what is that? Let's see. Wrap it so yeah, you see it. Everything is fitting. So yeah, the textured grips on here, and these grips were handle it grips. So all right, shout out to them. But let's see. So I was reading the instructions, and you're supposed to line it up right before you try to use the adhesive. Just before you take it, just get it and make sure you know exactly where you want everything to go. Make sure everything is lining up on there right. So all right, looks like everything is lining up right. It comes with the alcohol swab, so you get your alcohol swab and clean everything off so it'll stick to it good. Let's clean this off real good to get all the oils that your hand leaves. Get all of that off. Clean it up good. Clean it up good. All right, so now we have the grip. And I have already matched it up on there, and I saw that this is the correct one, and it does hit properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. I just want to let everybody know this is my first time doing this. I've always been kind of leery of doing this. I thought I'd screw it up, but if you don't try, you'll never do. You don't try, you will never do. So let me get that on there. Yep, it was right there. Put this. This lined up properly. That lined up. Alright, so I have this part on there. I am not finished yet though, but I do have that part on there. Now we have to do it over the back strap, which I was kind of thinking about changing out that back strap. I don't know. I may change that back strap out. So now we have this piece right here that goes on the back. So put that piece on the back. Line it up. There. Put your little ring stickers on there. So once you get everything stuck on there, you're not done. You have to get your handy dandy blow dryer or heat gun. I think they say you're only supposed to get up to a certain degree. What does it say? Don't exceed 130 degrees. All right, so how am I supposed to know that? All right, let's hope we don't exceed 130 degrees. This thing don't tell me how hot it is. Hot. Put it on there, get it hot. Get it hot. Okay, slide that where exactly where I want it to be. Let that mold on in there. Hit it a little bit more. gets it real hot, actually, real quick. But as this heats up, it starts to, the adhesive starts to actually work. Let me hit it up front here. There we go. All right. There we go. Yeah. All right. There she is. We have the new grip installed, and hey, I like this. It feels good. It looks good on there. Looks real good on there. Remember, these are grips from Handle It Grips. Handle It Grips, custom gun grips. And this is the TP9 SC Elite. This is a gun I bought for my wife, and I've been doing a couple of things to it, and I like how these grips work. I like how these grips feel, and they are very, very, very grippy, and they're rubberized. And once you put the heat to them, they go on there very good. And this is my first time ever putting them on a weapon, and hey, I figured it out right here on camera. So it's not that hard. Not that hard. Not that hard at all. So remember, Handle It Grips. Handle It Grips. They are easy to install, and they look pretty good. Tell me what you think. Tell me if I should have left it alone. Tell me if I need to heat it back up and peel this crap off. Or do you like the way it looked? Does it fit it? I like it. I like it, you know, and I think that you know, this is a good first little customization to this gun. I have a few more things that I'm going to do. I need to find a red dot to put on it. I'm going to find a flashlight to put on it, and yeah, just go ahead and try to get it as, you know, cool as possible for my wife, even though she probably don't want it. Probably more or less doing this for myself, probably. So go ahead, hit that like and subscribe, follow the journey I take this gun on. Hit them notifications so you'll know when I do it. And Johnny Snow up out of here.